Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add extension to Mozilla Firefox. So first we need to go to Add-ons Manager and choose the extensions on the left. Now we need to find, let's search for some add-ons. Just type screenshot and we have a lot of results for the screenshot. Let's just take the first add-on that's on the list and we click Add to Firefox. Now the add-on will ask for the permissions and again click OK. You can also just add this add-on to the toolbar right here and it's there, it's done. So we can use it from here. That's it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.